This is DecoNetwork's Essentials. It's a platform for print and embroidery teams to manage quotes, orders, purchasing, production, and customers. First, answer a few easy questions about your business. Then, DecoNetwork learns what you need and generates a quoting website for you. And with built-in drag-and-drop content widgets, updating your website has never been this easy. Next, launch Business Hub. Business Hub is your quote and order management platform. Look, a new quote just came in. Click on it. Now, examine customer artwork, set your unit price, sweeten the deal with a discount, and email an online payment request. Once payment has been confirmed, your quote will be converted to an order. From your order section, you can review all of your current open orders. Clicking New Order will allow you to quickly and easily mock up your own custom orders. Now you're ready to raise a purchase order. Click on Create Purchase Order and avoid costly errors by automatically tallying the products you need to purchase. Plus, DecoNetwork is integrated with the industry's major suppliers, providing seamless and error-free purchasing. With a live updated production calendar, you'll never lose track of a job again. Opening a production job lets you generate PDF worksheets that provide all the necessary production information, including production-ready artwork files. Know exactly where you are in production by documenting items and quantities produced. Stay on top of your opportunities with live update customer information. Manage customers, their quotes and orders, designs, payments, and more, all from one screen. DecoNetwork is the quick and easy platform to manage your print and embroidery shop. From a quoting website and order management to inventory purchasing, production workflows, and more, DecoNetwork has your print and embroidery shop covered. Managing the growth of your business is now easier than ever. So, go to DecoNetwork.com and get started today.